Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health and doing very well. So today in this video I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of floral midi dresses for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of very stylish and stunning collection of midi dresses. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of midi dresses, if you love to wear midi dresses, floral style dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses and knee-length style dresses. So you will carry these styles of dresses for your summer season, for your summer party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily work wears. You will be find out cotton fabric style dresses, you will be find out chiffon fabric, you will be find out georgette fabric, silk fabric, midi dress design ideas. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will enjoy this video. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of midi dresses, and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. You will find out A-line style dresses, you will be find out belted style dresses, you will be find out wrap styles midi dresses, knee-length style dresses, short frock style dresses, flare style dresses. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so dear ladies and girls you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of midi dresses, floral midi dresses, so please dear ladies and girls do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer seasons floral midi dresses and floral skater dresses for ladies and girls. Which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your opinion in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please dear ladies and girls do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out party wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, casual wear dresses, formal wear dresses, mother of the bride dresses, maxi dresses, floral midi dresses, skater dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, shoes collections, bags collection, crochet made dress design ideas and crochet made accessories. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more amazing ideas and for more collection. So as you can see, different and stylish trending ideas of midi dresses, different neck designs and different sleeve designing ideas. You will be find our half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless midi dress designs. So you will carry these styles of midi dresses for your party wears, for your casual wears, even if you are working ladies or you are a student, college going or university going girls. So you will carry these styles of midi dresses for your daily wears. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful design ideas of midi dresses, Korean style dresses. So I hope so you will enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.